Hello and welcome to another week of Talking Property with Christie from PRDnationwide Whitsundays. Look, we're often asked, particularly at the moment, how the strength of the local property market. Is it really as strong as we're thinking that it is, or more importantly, saying it is? So rather than listening to an agent give their opinion, or I reckon, we'd like to share some facts with you. So the very first fact, and the easiest fact for you to clarify yourself, is the supply and demand equation. How many properties are currently for sale and how many are selling? If there's more properties selling than there are properties for sale, the market is certainly moving. You can go on realestate.com, and anyone who's in the market certainly would go on realestate.com and see how many properties are there. Are there more being listed for sale, or are there more being sold? And simply, if they are selling quicker than they're being listed in your price range, that means prices are going to go up. And I can assure you that in most, if not all, price ranges and all sections of property, there are less properties on the market every day. We're now about 6 months supply in most market sections, some sections only 3 months. That means prices are going to rise. The second thing to think about, or to talk to your agent about, is how quickly a property is selling. Days on market have almost halved. They were 150 days, they're now well and truly down less than 80 days. A lot of properties are selling before they're actually publicly marketed. They're often selling in a multiple offer situation, so when your salesperson says to you, there is another party interested and you need to complete the REIQ form and fill out a multiple buyer registration form, take that seriously, because there is other buyers, they're telling you the truth. And that means you need to put your best foot forward, make your best offer and secure the property. Waiting can be very costly. There have been lots and lots of stories of people in Sydney and Melbourne who have sold their property, had a 60-day settlement, then tried to reinvest back into the market in 60 days' time. And admittedly, our market's not running as strong as Sydney just yet, but by the time they've sold their property for, say, $600,000, wanting to reinvest in a property at $800,000 in 60 or 90 days' time, when that time comes, that $800,000, $900,000 property's gone up $50,000 or $100,000, or even more in some cases, and they can't get back into the market. Your biggest risk and your biggest expense is time. If the property feels right, certainly make a buying decision, because the market's on the rise. Thank you, and we hope you've enjoyed Talking Property.